first of all, I'd like to thank all of my new subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing after my introductory video. I received the suggestion from Makeup by Grace, and she wanted to see more beauty videos on my channel. But the problem is, I don't really think I am qualified to be a beauty guru or anything because I don't really know much about makeup. But one thing for sure, I'm in love with BB cream. Hallelujah! It's my holy grail product. Let me tell you a very short story of my makeup history. All throughout high school, I was pretty much contented with Johnson's baby powder. That was my beauty secret. And I think during my junior and senior year, I started using Maybelline pressed powder. Maybe it's Maybelline! And I was pretty much happy with that, just pressing the pressed powder on my face like that. When I started working, I discovered BB creams. Hallelujah! But really, BB creams are my holy grail products. I was quite experimental at first because, you know, I was very much comfortable with Maybelline pressed powder, so I was hesitant to try it at first. But I started with, I think, Maybelline BB cream as well because I'm comfortable with Maybelline. But the first BB cream they released was not really that good. I think it was too light on my face and they only had one shade. Eventually they released different shades of their BB creams and I tried the darker one and I was quite happy with the result. And then one of my friends recommended to try Korean BB creams. The first Korean BB cream that I tried was Missha and Perfect Cover, the maroon one, and I got the shade 23. Coverage was really good. It was like when I put it on my face, like, oh my god, I look like a human being now. But then it actually oxidizes. Yeah, I discovered the term oxidize on the internet. Yeah, I observed that it kind of oxidizes. It has a grayish cast on my face, so I thought it's not very matched with my skin tone. Korean BB creams are a little pricey, so I was hesitant to like try other BB creams or like buy another tube. I discovered this shop in Gisano Mall. It's called Beauty Credit and they actually sell like sachets of different kinds of BB cream. I tried Lioele and it is very nice. I can also buy one tube of Lioele from Beauty Credit, but it was a little pricey. It's in a very tiny tube and it costs around 900. And then after a few months, we finally had an EtudeHouse shop here in my city and I checked it out and I thought their Bright Fit was really good and I bought it. This is Bright Fit and I really fell in love with Bright Fit. EtudeHouse had a lot of shades to choose from. It's really nice and I got it in W13. Really good. Gives you like the dewy glow of Korean actors and actresses that you see on TV. So this is really good. The price, I forgot the price. I think this is around 800 pesos. I'm just gonna put the details down below. It is more practical to buy than the Lioele one because it has 60 grams of product. And this BB cream lasted me a long time, like more than a year. Until now, I still have a little product left. This is the Bright Fit one. They added Cotton Fit. It's supposed to be the same with Bright Fit, but instead of being dewy, it is a little matte, which is good because in the Philippines, it's really like hot and humid and my face tends to be oily. So with the dewy one, I get extra dewy. So I thought it would be nice to try out the Cotton Fit because it promises to give you a matte finish. So if my face is a little oily, then it would like balance things out. So I finally bought this product. I've been using this for a few weeks and I really love the results. So right now I have the Cotton Fit on my face and nothing else. Well, of course I have eyeliner and eyebrow and lip color. Yeah, that's the only thing I have on my face. I decided not to put any powder on my face so we can really test the oil control of this product. Right now it's really nice for me. I'm going to show you how I apply this product. Here it is. Bare face alert, bare face alert, bare face alert. So this is the Cotton Fit. I use this much product. Sorry if my face is a little strange on that angle, but I'm gonna start. Getting my cream. And let's start. I'm just gonna keep quiet now. Shut up, Shanna. that's it. You've witnessed my transformation into a decent human being. And yeah, I'm just gonna give this product a test. I'm gonna do a lot of errands today, and I'm gonna try to keep you updated. I'm gonna try to vlog in public. And yeah, I'll see you.